Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings and welcome back to Music Theory 101. And last week's album was The Beginning by the Black Eyed Peas. So I pulled the white, the blue, and the black out for it. So there's that square. Kind of like those colors, looks pretty cool. What is this week's album? This week's album is Pretty in Pink, the soundtrack. So I will do a screenshot of the album cover and leave it at the end of the video so that you can see what it looks like. And I will put the album in the description box so in case you forget what it is, you don't have to go back and watch the whole movie or video, to find out what the album cover is. And I guess that's it. So I will see you later. Mwah.